Joins us from the International Weather Centre. Derek, you're covering the flooding, but also hundreds of tornadoes.
Yeah, now, Rosie, what we're looking at here is also the Arkansas River near Tulsa, and you can see just how close it is to spilling over its banks. Quite an incredible aerial shot coming from our drone footage there as well. But not record flooding necessarily there, but other parts of the country definitely. You won't believe how much precipitation has fallen across this part of the country just within the past 30 days. You're looking at an observed rainfall total. Pay attention to those colors of purple and white. That's where we've experienced over 20 inches of rain in the past 30 days. That's a lot of rainfall for Kansas into Oklahoma, Missouri, as well as Arkansas. And that's why we have 13 million Americans under some sort of flood threat today as water seeks its own level and starts to crest on some of the major rivers downstream. Now, there is some silver lining. We have the opportunity to dry out this weekend from the heavy rainfall we've experienced lately. That really pushes eastward, but again, the water still needs to filter downstream, so flood threat continues to remain very high for many locations across the Arkansas and Mississippi rivers. Now, in terms of severe weather, you need to go back to May 15th, the last time we experienced a day in the continental United States without a reported tornado. Nearly 500 reports just in the month of May alone, and it's all thanks to this collision of air masses taking place. We've been talking about the record heat across the south. You combine that with cold air from the north, and we get the battleground for severe weather. 377 tornadoes, that's the latest count we have here at CNN Weather, just in the past 14 days alone. Yesterday, we had 23 reports of tornadoes. Get this, not only tornado threat, but straight-line winds. Over 200 reports of damage across the mid-Atlantic, all the way to the Central Plains. Now today, a slight risk of severe weather, southwest Texas, the mid-Atlantic, once again under the gun. That includes portions of the nation's capital. So keep that in mind if you're traveling there. And I'm going to leave you with this, Rosemary. You have to see this incredible video. This is coming out of the Dayton, Ohio area. They had a confirmed tornado roughly 36 hours ago. This gentleman is actually walking into his apartment and seeing this scene as you walk up your staircase, typically a roof over your house. This time, what do you see? The sky above you. That tornado took the entire top of his home right off.
Wow, that is not something anyone wants to see. Thank you so much for that, Derek. Just extraordinary extreme weather conditions there. Appreciate it.